I can insert only numbers inside the stack. I will call that as operands. That's what you need to remember. So I cannot insert the operator. Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to yet another interesting session on stacks. So guys, in this session, I will be discussing something interesting which will definitely help you to score really good in your exam. So what is that, sir? What do you have in the session today? Yes, you'll be thinking, right? So guys, I have a very interesting topic which will easily fetch you some good marks in your exam. That's going to be the evaluation of postfix expression using stack. So guys, all of you would have come across with a conversion of infix to postfix. If you just remember that concept, this topic is very, very simple because I will be using some of the rules of that particular problem. So fine, without wasting much of your time, so let me get into the session. So before I start my problem to all of you, so I want all of you to please pay a little attention to my expression which I have taken, which is in the form of postfix expression. So what happens here is, so let me explain the expression what I have. So don't get confused with this. I have taken 2, then followed by I have the next number that is 10. Then after that I have plus, then followed by 9, 6 and followed by minus and forward slash. This is my expression is what I have here. Please don't get confused with 210 and 96 something like that. So that's not my expression and this is my expression. So fine. So basically I have to remember 2 important things before I start my explanation to all of you. So the first thing is I will be solving this with the help of stack. That's the first thing that you should remember. So I'm keeping my stack ready. So I don't have anything inside the stack. So fine. So second thing that you need to remember, I can insert only numbers inside the stack. I will call that as operands. That's what you need to remember. So I cannot insert the operator. That's what you need to remember. So that is the first thing that you need to remember. I repeat. So what you can insert inside the stack? Only numbers you can insert inside the stack. Second thing, what you cannot insert inside the stack? I cannot insert the operator. That's the second thing that you need to remember. So fine. If you remember this, rest everything is very simple, my dear darlings. So fine. Now I'll tell you one more important rule. So please remember this. So result is equal to, so guys, operand B, operator and operand A. So this is the formula. Okay, so this is the golden rule or the golden formula to perform the evaluation of the postfix expression. So fine, if you just remember this, rest everything. So it's very simple. Let me start. So guys, what is the first number that I have? What do I have first? Whether it is an operand or operator. So obviously it's 2. I will call it as a operand. So fine. So if I have an operand, so what should I do? Should I insert into the stack or not? Yes, you have to insert. So for that, I will perform push operation. So I have performed push operation. So already 2 is inserted inside the stack. So what is the next number that I have? I have 10. So what should I do with the 10? Whether it is operand or operator. So it is an operand. So I have to insert it into the stack. So I will perform push operation. Push 10 inside the stack. So I will insert inside the stack. So fine. So after that, what is the next one that I have? I have plus. So my dear students, plus is the operand or operator. So you need to think here now. So it's an operator. Can I insert inside the stack? No, you cannot insert inside the stack. Now I need to perform this operation. So what is that I have to perform, sir? So observe here. I will treat this as operand A and this as operand B always. So observe what is there on the top of the stack. I will treat that as a operand A and below that I will treat that as a operand B. This is the first important thing that you need to remember. So fine. So guys, apply this formula. Very simple. So what is that I have first? Operand B. What do I have in the operand B? I have 2. Right? So next one is what? Operator. What is the operator you have? You have plus. Okay. Next one is what? Operand A. So operand A. What is the value for operand A? 10. So guys, very simple. So we are done. So it's 12. You got the result as 12. Then push it to the stack. So 12, that is result. I'm having it in the stack. So fine. You are done with these 3 things. Next I have 9. So 9 is operand or operator? It's a operand. So guys, what do you do? Operand in the sense you will insert. So I will push it into the stack. The next one that I have is 6. Operand or operator? It's an operand. So what do you do? So I will push it to the stack. So fine. No issues. Then moving forward, after 6, what do you have? So you have minus operator or operand. Of course, it's operator, sir. So if you have operator, so same rule. So what do you do? So observe here. Okay. So I will write the formula. Let me just write the result as R. Okay. So what is the formula? Operand B, operator, and then operand A. Okay. So now, so top of the stack should be operand A, and this one should be operand B. Correct? So now I will write the values. Operand B. Operand B in the sense I have 9. What is the operator that you have? You have minus. Observe here. Here. So you have minus 9 minus operand A. Operand A in the sense what? 6. So guys, 9 minus 6 is 3. So what do you do with the result? You will push it to the stack. So observe here. I have pushed it to the stack. Now I have 3 and 12. That's what I have in the stack. Right? So fine. What is the next one that I have? Do I have operand or operator? Operator. So if you have operator, again you will calculate the result. Oh, let me just write it here. Okay. So R is equal to. So guys, here, what do you call this as? Operand A and operand B. Right? So how do you apply the formula? What should come first? Operand B should come first. So guys, 12. What is the operator that you have? Forward slash. Then operand A. What is the value of operand A? 3. So guys, 12 divided by 3, the result will be 4. So our value will be 4. So this 4, you will push it to the stack and you will pop out and saying that the answer for this expression is 4. So this is how you will evaluate the expression, especially postfix expression using stack. I have the second problem, the same rules you have to apply, but I have taken something different, okay, in this example. So guys, you all know the rule, right? So what is the rule that you know? So you know 2 rules. One is the first rule. So result is equal to operand B, okay, operator, and then operand A. So this is what you need to remember. Okay, that's an important rule that you need to remember. So fine. So let me just start. So I have taken the stack. So first I have operand. So I will push it to the stack. So fine, 7 is inside. So next one is 4. I will insert 4. So this number, it's minus 3. It's not a minus, is not an operator. They have given it as a minus 3. That's a number, negative number that they have given. So I will push it to the stack. It's a minus 3. Okay. So fine. So now what are the next thing that I have? I have star. Okay. That's an operator. Suppose if in that case, what does that I have to perform? So it's very simple. So guys, operand A and operand B. Simple. Okay. What is that you will perform? So please observe. What is the operator that you have here? Star. You have star. So what is the operand B value? You have 4 and then minus 3. The result will be what? Come on, everybody. It's going to be minus 12. That is what I have stored it here. And then 7, I have written it as it is. Any doubts till here? No. Moving forward. Okay. Then after that, so we are done till here. Okay. We are done till here. So the next number, what you have? So observe here. Observe here. It's not 15. It's 1, 5. Okay. So I will push 1 and then after that, I will push 5. So fine. My stack is done till here. Any doubts till here? No doubts. Moving forward. What is the next number? What is the next thing that I have? Operand or operator? I have operator plus. So when I have plus, I have to perform the calculation. So fine. So how do you do it? So result is equal to operand B, operator, and then operand A. So that's what you will perform, right? So fine. So now in this, so what is operand A? So you will take this as operand A and this as operand B. So that's what you have to take it, right? So fine. You all know that. Correct. So operand B, that is 1 and 5. Okay. So what is the operator you have? That is plus. So it's going to be 6. So once I got the value, the result, I will push it to the stack. So my stack looks like this. 6 minus 12, 7. So till here, do you have any doubts? Hope you don't have. Moving forward. So till there, I'll let me just erase everything so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. So I'm done with this plus. Okay. I'm done with this plus. Don't worry. So I'm doing the next one. So what is the next thing that you have? You have the forward slash. Same thing, okay? Operand A, operand B, okay? So that's what you need to remember. So result. So how do you do it? Result operand B, okay? And then OP and then OPA. All right, so what is the value for operand B? So minus 12. All right, so operand, what is the operand that you have? Divide, slash, okay? What is the A value? So A value is going to be 6. So obviously you will get the minus 2 as an answer, okay? 6 ones are, and then you will get the minus 2 as an answer. So which I am posting or pushing it into the stack. All right, so what is the status of the stack now? So it's this minus 2 and 7 is in the stack. So how do I do it? So guys, this is my stack. I will treat this as OPA and OPB. So let me just change my pen color so that now you will be able to understand. So guys, how do I do it? So it's very simple, right? So you will perform the formula. So R is equal to OPB operator and then OPA. So guys, OPB, what is the value of OPB? You have 7. All right. So what is the operator you have? You have star. That's the last operator you have. So 7 into OPA. What is the OPA? Minus 2. So it's going to be minus 14. That's what I have in the stack. And I will pop out. Your answer is going to be minus 14. So this is how you will be performing the conversion of postfix expression or the evaluation of postfix expression. So that's what you need to remember with respect to the stack. So guys, hope you find it very simple to understand. All right. So with this, let me wind up the session with the stack. So happy learning. Take care. Bye-bye.